Hello everyone, this is Tristan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick example of how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. On the left, I have my list of employees, and then on the right, I want to create a drop-down list to enter the birthday month for each employee. So first, I need to highlight the area where I want my drop-down list to be. I'll go to Data, Data Validation, and under Settings, I'm going to change this Allow from any value to List. I could type in my list manually, separated by a comma, and this would give me the drop-down list. Or I can select the source of values that I want to use in my list. So in this instance, I have a pre-typed list called months. So I'll highlight January through December, hit enter, and now I have a drop-down list where I can select the birthday month for each of my employees. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. If you're looking for the next video of tips and tricks, select any of the videos on the screen to watch, and I will see you next time.